yeah, it's gonna need one. There's like a little spider right there too. The battery is dated 2025. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and see how we're doing on the cabin filter. Oh, it is also bad. Pull this out gently, especially when your cabin filter is this gross. Alright, so here is your drain plug. You're gonna need a 17 millimeter. And we're gonna use this OTC tool. Oops, not yet. Tires still looking pretty good. Brakes still good. See the axle? This vehicle is still in a good shape with 88,000 miles on it. Oh man, it's a plastic. Oh, yeah. Do not reuse that. New gasket. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. And this is the part number, guys. It's right here. Sorry, tore it apart. Alright, so they declined the filter. Hopefully they're gonna do it soon. And also decline the cabin filter. Oh boy. Oh well. Don't forget the dampener.
12-volt battery. Did you put one on the floor in there?
I did.
You have the repair order number?
Hold on a second.
Thank you.
Alright, so let's go ahead and start the engine. Remove the old sticker. Oops. I can't remove the old sticker with my gloves on it. But let's go ahead and figure out how to reset the maintenance light first. Oh, this one is an old school one, so it doesn't have that thing. Yep, this one doesn't have that maintenance light reset. So the sticker is going to be very important for the customer because they are relying on this one. All right, let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go ahead and check the fluid level really quick. Okay guys, so this is low, this is full, and this is where we at. We're good. Okay, so remove this guy gently and install our new sticker. Okay guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.